How to use two WhatsApp on same phone. Using multiple WhatsApp accounts on the same phone is very simple. In order to do so, we want to simply launch WhatsApp on our phone. Once we launch WhatsApp, bear in mind that this feature right now is only available for Android users and not for iPhone users yet. So once we have WhatsApp here, we can tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side and we can simply go to settings. From settings, previously we found the add account section under account and we would scroll down and tap on add account over here. So you can tap on this add account button here as well, or you can tap on this plus icon from here. So you can tap on plus icon and tap on add a WhatsApp account and enter the new phone number that you might want to use and log into another WhatsApp account in that way. And this way you can add multiple WhatsApp accounts and use them easily on the same device. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.